Okay, so continuing on with the project we were doing, if you, I just wanted to show you how you can use volume envelopes to automate the volume, because let's say maybe in between phrases there's noises that you made, maybe your lips smacked or something, or you cough, or I don't know, whatever might be. I'm going to hit plus a bunch of times to zoom in, and it's this right here. I want to silence this before I start this phrase right here. I just want to silence it. So if you click right here, if you bring this down, if it's not showing, just bring it down until you see read, then click this and it says show envelopes and volume. So this is a volume envelope now. And if you hold over it, you can see that there's a little plus sign. So if you click that, it will make a keyframe, if you will. And so now if you listen to it, this is the small time professor. And so right here, I also stopped talking. So let me zoom out and zoom back in. So from here to there, I probably don't want to hear. And I won't be too drastic. I'll kind of fade it out. That's why it's sloped like that. If I made it straight up and down, sometimes it sounds unnatural. So you just make it slope just a little bit, and it won't have that effect. Now you could grab this bar up here and scoot over, and now we'll see. So right here is where I stop speaking again. I'm going to hit minus and plus just so it centers more over there. And then I'll click there, drag this down, and drag this down. And that will cut out. Actually, I should probably let you hear. There is a. By the way, if you just pull down, it gets rid of it. But you can hear. At least I can't really hear because there's a lot of loud music in this room right now. But I think there's some noise of like lip smacking or whatever. Good Lord. So just create a keyframe and drag it down so that it cuts that out. With some life advice. Right there is another lip smack. So I'm going to click this, click that, drag it down. And you can also, if there's some, like right now what I'm showing you is how to carve out the silent moments, but you can also use it to suppress loud S noises. So like if that S noise right there was too loud, let me hit plus a few times. And let's say it's important to still be able to hear it, but it's just too loud. You could create two keyframe points, and then just bring it down a few decibels. Don't bring it down to where it's completely gone. In fact, that's probably too much. Maybe 4 decibels, 3 to 6 or something, just to suppress an S. And then that'll allow you to turn up the vocals more because the S's won't be so harsh. So that's how you do it. And worth saying that, real serious engineers will carve out, they'll spend hours going through and carving out and suppressing S's, and also increasing the volumes in moments where you can't really hear something. Like if you found a section of the audio of the vocals where you needed to be able to hear, but it wasn't loud enough, you could boost that using the same technique. So, like right here, this gets really loud, but the rest is pretty even. So you might click right here and hit plus, and then drop the volume in this zone just a little bit. And if this section right here was not quite loud enough, you could boost it. And essentially what you would be doing is kind of doing the work of a compressor, but manually. And I've seen tutorials where they explain that, and And the advantage of doing that is that you're kind of helping the compressor do its job. So when it actually gets sent to the compressor, it just does it even better, smoothing out the volume levels. And that's how you do it.